Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have some skin and wound cleanser. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Okay, so it came in a 3-pack of these here. So this is what it looks like in the box. And outside of the box, you can see it is a very liquidy liquid. And so the way it will work is kind of like a peroxide type thing. You just kind of can put it on there to clean your cuts and other items. So that's pretty cool. So it says it here. It's a skin and wound cleanser. And it's good for a couple of years. So that's good too. It doesn't expire for a while for mine. And basically it looks like you just put it on there. It says open container, unscrew, and clean the wind. So basically, yeah, you just kind of squirt it all on there and it, will keep it clean for you. So that's a good idea. So very good, nice and handy to have around. So if somebody does get a cut or something like that, you can just clean it off really nice and quick and easy. Probably a little better than just using tap water. So better than that. So thumbs up, I like it.